I don't think you might be able to hear the noise because of the recorded thing. I'll start. You're just gonna hear me talking. So listen closely. I'm gonna do some parkour. It's Goat Simulator. We're gonna be doing Payday out of all these days. Okay, Payday. So let's begin. I don't know if you can hear the music. Just gonna put one side in. Okay, here we go. Here's the music if you want it. You might hear a bit, but okay. So we're gonna start with the goat. I don't like the goat personally. I like this flamingo, which has good flying. Don't mind the extras. Oh gosh. Oh. Don't mind the sounds that you hear, like those. The sound. That's just me playing. Okay, so now that we got out, free for all. Okay, no, let me just get that. Okay, in this episode, I'm gonna be showing you all the awards and stuff in the game. Bomb machines. We're gonna be doing some things to operate. Okay, let me show you. We're gonna do one by one. We'll start with the mess with the police, because I feel that's the easiest one. It shows you where it is. Okay, so mess with the police. Let's begin it. Let me just okay, good. Now let's go mess with the police. First, we need to fly to the police station. You could be playing along. You can just put this in like a side tab in YouTube. So, how you mess with the police is you throw the donut down, which I find hard sometimes. It's not really that hard, but. Again, there's another award which I'm going to show you. It's going to come soon. Okay, first step, just land right here. Climb on this. Go inside, hit it sometimes. Go underneath it, that's your goal. If you go underneath it, it'll automatically fall. Or crash into it real hard. See that? That's how you do it. It just starts bouncing around. And you just get $100 right there. Okay, next, Okay, good. Now that I did that, now let's go to the next. You need this drill over here for one of the things. I'll show you later. Let me just grab that. I just like exploding stuff. Lick. And let me drop that. Boom. What? Okay, then boom. There you go. Okay, now to find that thing I'm talking about. Thing is, let me show you. It's on top of the building. Yep, I remember. It's on that side. Over here, you gotta go over here, and then you got to land. Got to do this. After you do that, you gotta land somewhere here. Okay, see that police right there? I don't know why police is guarding this place, but there's the next award. Let's go get it. I've did this before. There's the police guy. You press R, by the way, to mind control. Now let's get another prank from the bomb machine. Okay, let's see. We did that. Exploding cake. This is an easy one. I've done this before. It's easy. Let me show you. Okay, this guy's weird. Okay, now let me show you where this is. It's at the home place, the zoo. About there, the city area, right there, city place, and the bomb is right there. Should be right there. It's gonna appear over here. It's not here yet. It's gotta go there, and then then get see, it just appears there randomly. And now to go back there. Okay. We're just gonna bring that over to the cake. And we gotta go. Gosh. Ooh. Okay. And then you go there you go. Next. It is right there. Oh, we are right there. We gotta take all this route. Take a left and then okay, there you go. Yeah, I think I could find that. That's easy. Okay, now where was that again? There you go. I think I need the drill. Wow. Okay, back to get the drill. I can't lose this, by the way. This is important. Shoot, lost it somewhere. Tell me if you see it. Can't find it. Can't seem to find it.